welcome to another episode of Student Meals. Today we're going to make ginger ale. We hope you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are about 6 cubes of ginger. I measured about 1 centimeter of the ginger. I've peeled it and I've chopped it up. 3 slices of lemon, about 6 tablespoons of honey, sparkling water, some ice, and finally a pot of still water. I'm going to serve my ginger ale in this glass, and I've measured 3 glasses of water in this. I measured until about here and I just poured it in there. So this pot contains 3 glasses of water. Let's do this. First of all, put your pot of water on a fire. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to infuse the water with the ingredients. So I'm going to add the ginger, the lemon slices, and I'm also going to add the honey. There we go. I'm going to give this a little stir to mix it all up. Next, let it come to a boil. As you can see, our water is boiling. So now put a lid on there and let it boil for about 10 minutes. Alright, 10 minutes later and all of the ingredients have really infused the water. Next, I'm going to strain it so that all the bits and pieces are left behind and I get a nice clean juice. As you can see, we got a nice hot mixture over here. You could either let it cool off or you could just serve it immediately. You will just need more ice in that case. Alright, now it's time to assemble our ginger ale. So I took my glass and I filled it up with a good amount of ice. And next I'm going to add the ginger and lemon syrup. Now the amount you add is completely up to you. If you like a nice and spicy ginger ale, you can add a lot. If you don't want it to be spicy, just add a bit. I like mine pretty spicy, so I'm going to add quite a good amount. Next, top it off with your sparkling water. And I'm just going to finish off my drink with a slice of lime on top. There we go! And your ginger ale is done! Just a little tip, if you want it to be extra spicy and zesty, just add some more raw ginger to the drink. Time for a test! Cheers! Oh, I love this because it's just so refreshing. I recently really started to fall in love with ginger and everything with ginger, and this one is no exception to this. It's so delicious, so refreshing. Also, if you want to spice it up a little bit more, you can add some gin to it. So I really recommend you making this summer because it's the perfect summer drink. Thank you guys for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to like this video. If you like what we do, feel free to subscribe to our channel. We still post a video every single Wednesday, so if you didn't know that yet, you can also ring the bell. Yeah, so that would mean a lot. Thanks again for watching, and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!